Hello students, today we will study about transportation in plants. What are the things which will be transported? They are water and food material or soluble substances which are prepared by plant by the process of photosynthesis. So what are the tissue which transport these things? They are xylem and phloem. What is xylem? Xylem we have studied in the 9th class, it's a tissue. So xylem transport water which have vessels and tracheids. Xylem में vessels and tracheids होते हैं which are elongated cell. These forms a continuous column for water conduction. As water has to move from roots to leaves, so this movement will be against gravity. And we know when anything which is moving against gravity will need some pressure, force and help. So for this, water requires some pressure and suction also. So plant does this in two ways, root pressure and transpiration pull. Two ways are helpful for plant. They are root pressure. What is root pressure? Root cells which are in contact of soil take up the ions from the soil, and now roots have more ions and less water. Similarly, soil have less ion because root absorbed all ions, and soil have more water now. Less iron, more water. Now water move from higher concentration to low concentration according to osmosis. So here soil is having more water and root is having less water. So water will move from higher concentration, that is from soil, to the lower concentration towards roots. And like this water is transported. But in tall plants it is not successful. So tall plants follow another mechanism which is called transpiration pull. First of all, what is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water molecule through aerial parts of the plant, and these parts have less water in them now. After transpiration there will be less water. So as a result, a suction is created and water is pulled upward from the xylem cells of the root to the leaves. This is similar to the way how we suck drinks with straw. This is we drink cold drinks, coconut water and juices by using straw. So we suck up it. हम पानी को suck करते हैं ना. Similarly, the water will be suck up and the suction will be created. So this is transpiration pull. Transpiration pull occur in daytime and root pressure takes place in night time. Now plant also need energy, and for that plant need food, and food is prepared by the process photosynthesis. Now how this prepared food or energy or soluble products will be transported? This will be transported by the process translocation. Translocation is the process in which food and the soluble products of photosynthesis are transported throughout the plant body. And which tissue is required for this? That is phloem. Phloem transport food. Food is stored in the plant in the form of sucrose, and that sucrose will be supplied to all parts of body, especially in birds because they need to grow. Tissue responsible for this translocation is phloem, and phloem is having seed tubes and companion cell. Xylem से the water goes into the phloem through xylem, and from there phloem is having companion cell and palisade cell. Food is transported from leaves to sieve tubes in the form of ATP. Here water serves as a transporting medium in the plant. Food substances or energy giving substances dissolve in water, and they are transported with the help of water. From xylem to phloem water will be there, and in that phloem soluble particles are dissolved in water and they are given to the companion cell, from there to palisade cell, and like this process happen. Thank you students.